Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Leslie Ann. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and then you'll know exactly when I do all my new uploads. Okay, so I have very kindly been gifted some clothes by a company called Blooming Jelly, and this is what the package looks like. And this is what the items of clothing came in. So it's a little Ziploc bag, so it's all nice and protected. So I was approached by Blooming Jelly to ask if I'd like to review some of their clothes. They asked me to choose 4 items of clothing, which I did, and then I had to take a photo shot of what I wanted, the clothes that I ordered, and send it to them. But for some reason only 3 of them went through as opposed to 4, but that was just probably something to do with the email or something. It just cropped off. However, I'm still very happy to receive the 3 items that I chose. Okay, so the first item I chose is this little sundress. It's really sweet. It's red and white gingham, and it has pockets at the front, both sides at the front, and I must admit I do like a skirt or a dress with pockets. I don't know why, I just do. It just feels really comfortable. There's always somewhere to just put your hands. It's very comfortable because it's all, if you have a look at the top here, it's all in the shearing elastic, and then just on the bodice part, the bottom of the bodice here, you've just got this little tiny frill, and the straps are very comfortable because they are also elasticated. So that was the first thing that I chose. I just thought it was really lovely for our summer. The second item that I chose was this absolutely beautiful dress. Absolutely stunning. I'll stand up to show you. So again, it has the elasticated straps, so very comfy, very pretty, very feminine, as you can see, and it has a little bit of an underskirt to it, just there, and that is quite short. That comes down to about my knees, and then you've got this bit that's really floaty, and it just sort of crosses over. So you've got the floaty bit here and here. If the wind was to blow, you might lose your modesty a little bit, so I would be inclined just to put a tiny little pin in, just to hold it at the exact point that I wouldn't want it to be blown open. But it's so pretty, and the back is just beautiful. So you pop your arms in and then it does up. It ties up at the back like this with these beautiful ties. It's in exactly the same fabric, and it's a backless dress, so you've got this ties up around the back of the bust, and then you've got the waistband here, which is elastic at the back for comfort. So you've got this part of the back that's open, and again, let me show you the front. You can see the design on the front, and it is lined. Really pretty little trimming that's in a V shape at the front. Very pretty. And then the final thing that I chose, well, the third thing I chose, the fourth thing actually was a mustard dress, and I was really looking forward to getting that, but it just wasn't meant to be this time, was it? Anyway, this is a wraparound cardigan, or it reminds me of a ballerina's top. So you can either use this as a top with, say, a little vest top underneath. I would need to wear something underneath because it doesn't completely hide my modesty, shall we say, so I'd need to have a vest top or something like that, little camisole underneath, or you can just use it as a cardigan. But it's absolutely beautiful. The quality of this material is absolutely lovely. It's in this beautiful sort of dusky pink, and then it has around the neck and all the way down the front to the waistband here is the scalloped edging, and it's so pretty, so flattering as well. Exactly the same on the other side, and then, as I say, like as with the ballerina top, it's got the hole at the side that you can pop the tie through and then tie it at the back if you wish, or you could just have it open because it's so beautiful, and as I say, the quality is lovely. Now I'm going to tell you what I thought. Every item is beautiful, every item is well made. However, the sizings are a little bit out. I went into the size chart and there was all different, there was like UK, USA, all the different countries' sizings there. So I picked the size I am in the UK. Of which they've sent me. However, they are all a little bit too tight. You know, I can get them on. Do I feel 100% comfortable? No, not because they're tight or anything. I just don't feel comfortable because I feel they needed to be just that little bit bigger for me. So I've ordered, all of these are in an XL, which is a size 18 UK according to their size chart. But as I say, they are a little bit, the cardigan's okay, this is okay, but it's more the dresses, I think. I mean, the red and white one I could get on easily. However, for somebody who's busty like myself, there wasn't enough coverage here. You know, there just wasn't. It didn't, I mean, it did hold the girls up, so it wasn't a case of, you know, they were where they shouldn't be. There just wasn't enough coverage here. I just had too much cleavage going on. I think part of that might actually be because of the straps, because these are so very elastic but comfortable, and I think if you've got a smaller bust then you're going to be absolutely fine. Or maybe if you were to wear strapless bra, but that wouldn't have helped in my case because there just wasn't enough fabric really here to cover enough for me to feel comfortable. I just had this whacking great big cleavage on, and I think if you've got a bigger bust then obviously the weight of the bust is going to pull these down, and then this is going to come down as well. But if you've got a smaller bust then I think it would be beautiful. And then for this dress, I mean, this is absolutely beautiful, really is beautiful. Fabric's just absolutely stunning. It's so pretty, but again a bit too small for me. I would have liked it to have been a true to size. And again, I feel that, I mean, these straps were really comfortable being elasticated, but I do feel if the straps had more structure to them, it would have given more support in the bust. I didn't wear a bra with this. Maybe it would be very difficult wearing a strapless bra with this, because the way it just sort of ties at the back here, and then you've got all this back exposed. But because this isn't particularly wide, I think, in all honesty, if I was to wear this dress, I would have to lose a little bit of weight to fit into it comfortably. I would also, I think, stitch in some cups just to give me that little bit of bit more security, because this one, because it had the shearing elastic around the bust, it did give you a little bit of support, whereas this one really didn't. I don't like it when you can see nipple through it. I don't know, it's an age thing probably. I just think I'm way too past all of that. So I would have to stitch some cups inside of here. But it is so pretty. It's very nice. I mean, if you can get your sizing right, then you're just going to be laughing. It's beautiful. I really do appreciate Bloom and Jelly sending me these clothes to review, and I've given you an honest review, and I have got a code that will give you a discount if you would like to use it, and I will link all of that down below in the description box down below. So if you click on the show more, you'll be able to see everything down there. But as I say, I really do thank them for sending them to me, and for me to be able to try and do a review for you guys. All the items, as I say, came in these bags, and I just think that's really nice. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, guys, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye.